Welcome back. In this session, we are going to complete goods receipt as well as invoice verification to complete the whole process. Now go to SAP, copy this purchase order, go to MIGO, select goods receipt, select here purchase order, enter your purchase order here, press enter. Now item is OK. Check entries. See, posting only possible in period 10, 2020, 9, 2020. If you are getting a message like this indicates that we need to open posting period for Click on this one. So what we have to do now, close this, open another session, go to MMRB, enter your company code. See, right now current period is 10, previous period is 9. We are getting the same message there. Now I will keep this as it is. Open MMPV. Please check the notes, it is already mentioned. MMPV, enter your company code 8800. Current period is 11 here. Go and check. Now current period is, what is the posting date here? See, 5/11. 5/11 means now we are in November. So now go to MMPV. I want to open November period. Fiscal year is 2020. Select this, check and close. See, successfully completed. Now close this. Now we are in MMRBT code. Before opening the period, current period is 10. Go back, execute this again. See, what is the period? Current period is 11, previous period is 10. This is periods. Close this session as well. Close this, check again. We are not getting any issues. Document is okay. We have successfully opened the period. Post this document. At this time, you supposed to get F5 posting period issues if not open. Since we already opened F5 postings up to December, that is the reason we didn't get any issue with the F5 posting period. Next step is to complete invoice verification. This is a MIRO. Go to MIRO /N MIRO invoice verification. So now take today's date. Here enter purchase order number. This purchase order number, amount is 900. Enter here 900. Here select V0. Now simulate. This is the entry system is going to post. Vendor account credit, GRIR debit. So before posting, we will go and check this vendor ABC. Before posting, go to FBL1N vendor line item. Copy this vendor number. Execute. See, we don't have any line items here. Now we are accounting this vendor invoice here. Post it. Invoice document still contains messages. Okay. Go back. We have an issue here. Click on these messages. Tax code V0 also exists. Tax code V0 also exists. blank, then maybe see here we have v1, that is the reason we are getting this one. So I will make this blank, simulate, enter a tax code, select this 0%, post it. It is getting posted. See, we have successfully posted this document. Go here, display. If you want to see accounting document, click on follow document. Click on accounting document. See, this is the document posted. Go and check the line item report. This is the line item report for vendor. Before posting, no item selected. After posting, execute. See this document posted here. If you want to see the stock, go to MB52. This is my material. Execute this. See here we have stock. There is another T code. If you want to see, this is a warehouse stock, MMBE. This is also widely used, MMBE. Execute. See here we are getting full picture here. This is a company. This is plant. This is my storage location. Here I have unrestricted stock 20. Hope you understand the whole process. Here why we have 20, because we created only for 10. I posted one entry before this clause. That is the reason here we have stock 20. Thank you very much.